Hey you guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video today. I guess I want to start off by saying happy 4th of July. And to celebrate, we are going to do a good old-fashioned unboxing of stuff. As I have mentioned in previous videos, I really don't have anything important, pertinent, cute, funny, witty, really anything to say. This is just going back to the lost art of taking stuff out of boxes and seeing what I got. Now, I will preface with, I'm trying to be a little bit better with my money, and this was an unfortunate outcome of me laying in bed, getting a marketing email and thinking, maybe I should take advantage of that. Actually, it's like kind of twofold. I was on Reddit. I was looking at the Femme Fragrance Lab subreddit. Somebody had mentioned the pistachio glaze scent from Bath & Body Works, which I'm a really big fan of. And somebody had commented and said that they were getting rid of that scent and it was on sale. So I was like, beep, 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 beep. Let me look and see how much it's on sale for. Well, it turns out that I had an email from them and it's their semi-annual sale, and I went into my offers in my app, and not only did I have like a free birthday item because it was my birthday, but I also had a $10 off $50 purchase, and I think they ship free after 50. I can't remember. Basically, I'm trying to tell you, I shop smart and I got this entire box of stuff that we're about to see for $41 in total. And I really do think that it was a smart buy, because otherwise I wouldn't have placed the order. But I do think that I got, a pretty good value for the $41. So that's why I just thought we would go through it and I would share it with you guys. So like I said, it was their semi-annual sale. They had a lot of things that were $3.99 and under, and pretty much everything that I bought in here was $3.99, except for the free item that I got for my birthday. And then one of the items was $10.99, but it's a 3-wick candle. So, $10.99 is still a good price. Plus, I was getting the $10 off 50, and this is how I'm getting all this stuff for $41. Just a little PSA, you should never buy Bath & Body Works on full price. I do think that they have really good products value-wise, especially their body washes, which I have quite the number of them in here. And also their candles, I'm a fan. And if you can get these things on a good deal, I think they're definitely worth it. So still trying to stay a little safe with my money, but I did make a purchase and we're gonna go through it right now. All right, let's start with the most boring thing. This is the item I got free for my birthday. I could pick any item up to $9.95 free as long as I made a purchase. I know we needed some more kitchen hand soap. We are literally out of it. And so I picked up the Kitchen Lemon scent. I love the Bath & Body Works hand soaps. I prefer the gels, although the foams are nice, but I love the Kitchen Lemon scent. I love any lemon scent from Bath & Body Works. So I got that one for free. Okay, let's talk about the body washes. So in that pistachio glaze line, there is also a scent called Guilty as Fig, and I really, really like it. I have it in my shower right now, and that was also a scent that they were going to discontinue. So I went ahead and I got 2 of the Guilty as Fig body washes. I really like the bottle. It's pretty. This is a really nice unisex clean scent. It's green, but a little bit sweet, and I just really like this one. Again, I have it in the shower right now, and now I have 2 backups. So for $3.99, these originally retail for $16.95. Never pay $16.95 for this. I don't even fall for their sales of buy 3, get 3 free. That's not even a good deal. Get these when they're like $5.50 a piece, $3.50 a piece. I got these for $3.99, and these are more of their luxe line. So I feel like that was a pretty decent deal. And then the other scent that I got is the pistachio glaze. I had this in my empties video. I actually have another one in my closet, and now I have 2 more. I love this smell. It is so good. It is like a food grade pistachio, sugary glaze, just delicious. I love this one. I wish I could buy more of them, but I was trying to stay smart. But I am so sad that they're getting rid of this, and they didn't have I would have bought the fragrance that they had. They actually had like a perfume vial of this, and I didn't buy it when it was out, and now they don't have it anymore, and kind of pissed about that, but happy to have the shower gels. But also I picked up the body mist. Guys, seriously, I love this smell, and the body mist was only $3.99, and I thought, since they're getting rid of the scent and I only got the 2 shower gels, this is gonna last me like forever, and so I went ahead and I got it. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. I'm just gonna make my whole room smell like it. But yes, this is freaking delicious. I love this one. I'm very happy that I picked this one up. Okay, I sprayed that, but I did get another body spray. This one is called Loyal to You, and I have never smelled it before. And I probably shouldn't have just sprayed all that pistachio glaze all over the place, because I do want to know what this smells like. This has notes of sweet lemon blossom, orange flower, and vanilla marshmallow. Like, I read those notes online and I was like, I'm just gonna throw it in because it's only $3.99. Let me just, yeah. No, I like that. Ooh, I like that. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, that is such a good summer scent. Oh, I'm so happy I picked you up. Yeah, Loyal to You. Oh, that's good. That is good. It's like a little higher end smelling than the pistachio glaze. This pistachio glaze is like, it is like a cookie, This is a little bit more sophisticated, but it's warm. It feels like solar notes, and it has that vanilla, maybe a little bit of that marshmallow, and definitely this one is good. The last couple things I got were candles, and this is a new packaging. I've never seen them send them like this. Usually I order enough candles that they just kind of pack them in an egg crate. I'm trying not to break another nail while opening these, but man, they're tough. So this is the 3-wick that I bought that is on sale. I am wondering if they're going to discontinue this scent as well. This is the pink lavender and espresso 3-wick candle. This is from their White Barn line. I talked about this in one of my other Bath & Body Works hauls where I bought like a ton of candles. It is so good. It has that coffee smell, which sometimes coffee can be a little overbearing, like a little bit heavy and stinky, but the pink lavender in this like really lightens it up, and it doesn't smell florally. I really do think that essence is just to lighten up the coffee flavor. I love this one. It's good all year round. It's especially good in the cold months, but I'm definitely taking this to work and putting it in my candle lamp. I'm really excited about this one. I haven't had it in a while, so very excited to get this on the $10.99 discount. And yeah, that was a good one. The last items I got are 2 single wicks, and I've never smelled these ones before. I just got them because they were on sale for, I think, $3.50 a piece. So let's open up the first one. So let's see. The first one that I have is iced dragon fruit tea. And I read the notes on this one, and I thought that was something that I would be interested in. There's no notes on the candle, so let's just go ahead. Ooh. Whoa, that's a lot brighter than I thought it was going to be. I love tea scents, and so I thought with the iced tea note in there, yeah, that one's actually kind of nice. It's a little strong, like fruity scent. I don't know if I'm going to be able to burn that in my office. I'm going to give it a try, but my office might be a little small to have something that strong and fruity. But I'm going to give it a shot. It does smell really good. It's a little punchy. And maybe that's the dragon fruit or whatnot. But I mean, for $3.50, I thought I would give it a shot. And the last one that I got, this one sounds like it's going to be good, but now that I've smelled that one, I feel like maybe this one's going to be strong as well. This is the Berry Waffle Cone Single Wick Candle. And again, there's no notes on here, but when I read them, I was like, and these retail for $15.95 a piece. And so getting them for $3.50 is definitely a good deal. I think the lowest you can get the single wicks for on sale is like $5.95, I think, is the lowest that they go. No. Whoa, that one is, oh, I think I like that one better. Yeah, it's not as punchy as the dragon fruit iced tea. It's definitely like a little tiny bit warmer because I think it has like sugar waffle cone, like scent in it. But there's just like a little bit of a blueberry is what I'm picking up. Oh, I like that. Okay, I can definitely put this one in my office at work. I think that one smells really, really good. Not mad about that at all. Okay, so let's recap. Remember, I only spent $41 on all this. That included the tax and I guess the shipping or whatnot. But I got 2 of the pistachio glaze body washes and then also 2 of the Guilty as Fig body washes. And to go along with that, I got the pistachio glaze body mist and very excited about this Loyal to You body mist. That was like a blind buy and I'm pretty happy that I tried that. I did get the Kitchen Lemon hand soap for free. And then I got the pink lavender and espresso 3-wick candle. And then we got the 2 single wicks. That is a dragon fruit iced tea and then berry waffle cone. I'm liking the berry waffle cone like a little bit more, but still, I mean, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 items for $41. If you take out the sales tax and the shipping and all that, that is pretty much about $4 or less than $4 a item. So very happy with that purchase. And then that's all I have for you today, guys. Yeah, I told you, just a basic lost art of unboxing. I know like unboxing was like really big on YouTube and then it like kind of like fizzled out because of the overconsumption thing. And you know, I think it's okay to like post one every now and then if you just happen to have a good deal and you just want to show off the things that are available. Plus, I got to tell you how much I like the pistachio glaze and the Guilty as Fig. And again, this. If you could please like this video, it really does help me out. If you could comment down below on if you thought I did a good job with $41 for all of this stuff. And let me know your favorite Bath & Body Works scent. There's a lot there that I don't really like, but hey, I'm always open to trying new things. So comment your favorite scent below. And then if you could subscribe, that would be like hella awesome. Hang out with me. Let's chill. You know, put me on in the back. I'm a great background noise. Like I'm the best background noise because I never have anything important to say. And yeah, I'm just a normal, regular person. That's it, guys. I love you so, so much. I will see you on the next one. Bye.